Bennu is a 550-meter asteroid and is heading for Earth. However, the chances of asteroid actually hitting anything on Earth are very slim, only 0.057%. David Farrugia, a scientist with NASA Center for Near-Earth Object Studies at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, in Pasadena, California, who served as a study lead author, announced the increased chances of Earth impact. But if it does happen, it will be far off in the future. In fact, it is unlikely to happen for at least another 200 years. Scientists looking at Bennu's trajectory looked at data gathered by NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft. OSIRIS-REx is currently headed back to Earth after collecting samples from Bennu, which is considered one of the most hazardous known asteroids in our solar system. The samples will arrive in 2023 and will help scientists in predicting the asteroid's orbital path. Bennu will have close run-in with Earth in 2135, when it passes within half distance of the Moon. Earth's gravity could alter its future path and put it on collision course with Earth in the 2200s. But this is less likely now, based on OSIRIS-REx findings. If Bennu did come crash down into Earth, NASA maintains that it wouldn't wipe out life dinosaur styles, but rather create a crater around 10 to 20 times the size of the asteroid. The area of the station will be about 100 times the size of the crater. According to Lindley Johnson, NASA's planetary defense officer, scientists are already ahead of the curve with Bennu, which was discovered in 1999. This increases the chances of pushing them out of the orbit. 100 years from now, who knows what the technology is going to be, he said. In November, NASA plans to launch a mission to knock an asteroid, of course, by hitting it. Asteroid impacts are quite common, just that large impacts such as potential Bennu impact happen only every million years or so. The impacts such as one that caused the demise of dinosaurs happen about every 30 to 50 million years. Currently, we don't have a technology that would be able to destroy or deflect such huge rocks. Everything over 300 meters, in fact, would be hard to destroy or deflect. However, the impacts wouldn't end our civilization, but would be localized catastrophe that would cause widespread devastation. For example, last major impact happened about 950,000 years ago, was a massive, a kilometer rock that impacted Zhamanshin in today's Kazakhstan. The impact did cause some global damage at a magnitude that could have produced a disruption comparable to that of nuclear winter lasting at least 2 to 3 years. The largest impact in the past 5 million years, and yes, largest impacts do happen about every few million years, was an impact that happened about 5 million years ago in an area known as Karakul, present-day Tajikistan. Impactor was at least a 3-kilometer rock, if not larger, and left massive 52-kilometer crater. El Tanin impact, another large impact, happened slightly earlier, and this was a 4-kilometer asteroid that impacted Earth some 2.5 to 3 million years ago. So large rocks do slam into Earth on a regular basis. However, even if Bennu did impact Earth, it wouldn't lead to end of human civilization. In fact, damage would be mostly local to impact area, leaving a 5 to 8 kilometer crater. However, by this point, we'll probably be able to deflect such objects, or even completely mine it, to a point that nothing would be left of Bennu. If you like this video, please press like and consider subscribing. Thank you.